Scene 3.
Before we knew it, we were about to have our first child. I say about to. Jenny had a successful pregnancy test, everything checked up, and we were going to have a son. Oh, I'm so excited to have our first son.
How was you happy to hold my happiness?
Jenny, right this way, please.
So, Doc, how I'm doing?
Well, that's the thing, sweetheart. There's no heartbeat.
Well, of course not. I can't control myself.
Well, no, I mean no heartbeat in your stomach. But her test came in so positive. There's no way. Yeah, well, we lost the baby. This happens rarely, and I'm so sorry it happened to you. Oh, Jenny. I know, sweetheart. I know. I'm so sorry.